The only way to keep your property safe in these crazy times is to burn all of the excess fuels around your property to make your home and your community safe. The only problem with burning is that a lot of smoke, and that smoke is bad for you and bad for the environment. However, my students and I have come up with the greatest invention to help you burn clean and burn easy. It's called the Eco Burn. It folds up pretty small, and you're able to put it together in only a few minutes, and you push it into your burn pile to help you burn clean and burn easy. You could either push it into the existing burn pile, or you could just put it down and build a pile on top of it. You hook up any electric blower. This is a battery operated one, but anyone will fit. You push air into the fire, and that excessive heat really makes the fire burn hot and clean. Very low smoke. It's great for the environment, it's great for you, and it's great for the neighbors. You can see after only a few minutes, the smoke is starting to dissipate, and the fire is starting to burn very clean, and it's easy to use. So this is the Eco Burn invented by students for our community.